We're at Broadway at the beach in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina on actual Christmas Day. We're gonna take you for a walk around and see if anything's open today and just check out the sights. Hi, I'm Carmen, and if you're new here and you enjoy Myrtle Beach videos, be sure to subscribe and click the bell so you won't miss anything. Also, a big shout out to our subscribers. We appreciate every single one of you. So as you can see, there's pretty much no one here. It's wide open. This is about 1 or so in the afternoon, give or take, a little after 1 probably. And it is super cold today. It turned very cold. It was in the 60s yesterday, but today it's in the 40s. And it is quite cold. And so that's probably keeping some people in. But also, as you can see, because it's Christmas Day, most of the stores are closed. Ripley's Aquarium, I know for a fact, is open because I saw them mention that on social media. And we'll definitely get around to that. But I don't think hardly anything else here is open unless some of the restaurants are, so we will see. By the time this video comes out, it'll be the day after Christmas, so we hope you had a very Merry Christmas. If you don't celebrate Christmas, we hope you're having happy holidays and getting excited about New Year's. Woo, it is cold. It is so cold. The wind today is probably around 23 miles an hour, 25. And so even though it's on the 40s, which that's cold enough, it is super windy, so the real feel is in the 20s. So it's a chilly Christmas day, so it feels like Christmas for sure. Yesterday it was like 65, so it did not feel very Christmassy. But it looks like by Monday we'll be back up into the 60s, so I'm excited about that. I'm definitely ready to get out on the beach and enjoy the ocean. And when it's this cold, that's not really a good time. Oops, so much wind it's blown their Broadway signs over. We noticed, we took a walk last night to look at Christmas decorations, and we noticed that some of the Christmas decorations had also got blown over. It's just, we've had some incredible winds. Yesterday we had a tornado warning. It's been very, very windy. We had some storms yesterday. So even though the Hard Rock is spinning, I don't think they're open. It's kind of interesting though, because usually they turn that guitar spinning off when they're closed, but I don't think they're open today. As you can see, this whole Avenue District. Do you know if Dave & Buster's is opening today? Yeah, Brian said he doesn't know, and I don't know either. Sometimes they are open on holidays, but I don't know about Christmas. But yeah, wide open. We'll walk down here and see if Dave & Buster's is open. It's interesting, as we got down here to Dave & Buster's, we started smelling food, but they don't open today until 5 p.m., but they are open 5 to 11 on Christmas Day. So I was kind of surprised to see that here at Dave & Buster's, but they must be doing some pre-cooking or having a special event. They do parties here, so maybe they're having a special event. I definitely smell some food cooking. And none of we checked, all these other restaurants are definitely closed. And as you can see here at Wahlburgers Christmas Day, they are closed. All right, we were wrong about Hard Rock. As I said, when the guitar is spinning, they're usually open, and we just saw these people come out. So they are open today on Christmas, so that's good to see. And if you're wondering and you haven't been to Myrtle Beach around the Christmas holidays, they actually do have a lot, not necessarily here at Broadway, but Myrtle Beach in general does have quite a few restaurants open on Christmas Day that serve meals, including some of the buffets. Also, it looks like Hard Rock is definitely going to have a New Year's event this year. We found another open place. Wet Willie's is open. They've even got a really cool Christmas tree right inside. How did you spend your Christmas this year? Did you do your usual traditional family stuff? Did you travel? Or did you just stay home and kind of keep to yourselves this year? Leave us a comment and let us know below. We obviously are at Myrtle Beach, and we actually are having virtual Christmas today. We've already done 2 video calls with our family, and we've got a 3rd one coming up. So we are still sharing Christmas with our family, but we're doing it at a safe distance this year. And it's been really nice spending Christmas Day with Brian, and we had a lovely lunch today. Really good day today. And as you can see, despite the fact that it's freezing, it is beautiful. It's crystal clear skies. Now we're down to Landry's. Their social distance E is falling off. Asked to see our catering menu. Can't tell if they're open. Or we see a ton of people inside. I don't know if they'll show up on the film. So Landry's is actually open on Christmas Day as well. We haven't seen many people here today. We have seen a few, but not too many people are out braving the cold. Landry's was packed though. I don't know if that'll show up on the video. It was packed inside. There were a lot of people eating there. but out here walking around, not so many people. I also imagine a lot of people probably come to Myrtle Beach for vacation and they don't think to bring like their heavy winter gear. We know I'll link a video below called Winter Weather at Myrtle Beach where we talk about it, but we've been here through some winter storms that were pretty brutal. It's very unusual, but it does happen. And so yeah, we always come prepared. So we've got our big winter gear with us, which helps. Seagulls. You don't see those too often at Broadway. Lots of them today though. There's Wonderworks. We just saw some people going inside Wonderworks, so we think it may be open as well. Definitely check their website for future reference, but looks like they're open today as well. And they definitely have their sound effects going, which I don't think they have those on when they're not open. It's like this creaky sound, you know, because the building's upside down. There's the Ferris wheel. Now that's one thing I'll mention at Broadway. The rides here do kind of have an off season or very reduced hours in the off season. So you definitely would check on that if you're planning to come over here and ride. Today's not a day I don't think you would want to ride anything. It's too cold, but like I said, we get those nice moderate days and then you might want to. So definitely check their website. It is funny there to see Broadway like this. We see it like this in the morning, of course, before they open, but when it's, I guess technically they're sort of not open. There's a few things open, but not much. But it's still funny seeing it this deserted. We've seen maybe 3 families since we've been here so far. I think that's it. So definitely not too busy today, but I'll link a couple other videos below if you're thinking about for next year, thinking about a trip in the winter or even this year in January, February. I'll link a couple of videos below about good reasons to visit in the winter, some things you might not have thought about, and same for the Christmas week. If you're thinking about coming next year Christmas week, we definitely recommend it. But you gotta be prepared for any kind of weather because it can be pleasant or it can be chilly like it is today. Here's a store that's open. That's that vintage house, isn't it? So they're having, looks like a sidewalk sale. Got some clothes out here. So they're definitely open. We just saw some people come out as well. Yep, clearance sale, 50% off. Now we're coming up on their beautiful Christmas tree. They really do have a stunning Christmas tree and it's really beautiful, all lit up at night, so pretty. I'm not gonna come back out here tonight and film it though, sorry guys, it is so cold. Definitely cold at night. I think the actual temperature, not wind chill, but actual temperature in the morning is supposed to be 21 at about the time we get up. So yeah, it's gonna be a chilly night tonight. But this is covered in lights and very, very beautiful when it's lit up. This side over here is definitely pretty quiet. We saw that vintage house open, and I think that's been the only thing open on this side. All the other stores have appeared closed, and of course on this side there's not really many restaurants. There's Yamato, but that is a dinner only, and I don't know if they're open today. All right, this is adorable. This is in Tiki Gems. They've got a little tropical snowman and a little, I guess, penguin with a grass skirt, and then they've got a little tiki bar over there. It's cute. There's Joe's Crab Shack, which is definitely not open. And then here's the Simpsons 4D Theater, and we just noticed they have a ton of their roof is down from the winds. Probably happened yesterday. It was crazy windy. Got nice little happy holidays over here. And now we're coming around to the area where they're, I was gonna say construction zone, but they're not actually constructing anything yet. So the coming soon zone, except I don't think that's even accurate either. I don't think anything's coming too soon. They're gonna have the hangout and they're gonna have the Key West shops over in that section once they start construction and working on that. I think it'll be nice when they're done, but I would say at this point you're looking at 2022. I don't see how it would be open next year. Here's the back side of the aquarium, and we'll see the front of that in a few minutes, but we're gonna walk over here and check out Margaritaville. And if you're not familiar with Broadway at the beach, you used to be able to walk around the entire perimeter, even over here, but because of this construction that I mentioned, or this where they cleared the land, you can no longer make a full circle. You sort of have to detour to get over here to Margaritaville. It's not a big detour, but you do have to sort of break the circle. So we're gonna walk over here, and actually it looks like they've changed the pathing a little bit. But so down there is the construction, and then over here is the way to get to Margaritaville in this section over here. We've got this interesting sort of stage set up here, and it says it's a Santa experience, and then no entry down here, so I'm guessing maybe Santa sits back there and you come up here to get your picture made, and then they've got a mailbox for Santa. That's cute. This is where they used to have sort of a Santa photo op, and then it changed to other things during the not Christmas season, and now it's back to looking Christmassy. But I think that other area we just showed probably replaced the Santa meet and greet. If you know for sure, leave us a comment below. Now we're around to Margaritaville, and they are definitely not open, but it's interesting their kitchen fans are on. So at first we thought they were, but they're not. I love the big blender though, it's so funny. And I did see that they are having a New Year's Eve party. Definitely check their website for details. Here's the Margarita Sandbar. Also not open today, but they are definitely normally open. Some interesting birds here. They all keep diving in and coming back up. Pretty neat. We are back over to the main part of Broadway over towards the aquarium. So we're gonna go check out the aquarium next. Now we're over to Ripley's aquarium. They have their lovely Festival of the Trees. The inside is just covered with all kinds of trees from all 50 states and other things. And we have seen a steady stream of people since we've been over here going in. So they are doing good business today. They're actually open from 9 to 7 today. So long hours today on Christmas. Ripley's has some really cute decorations on their little penguin topiaries. I found another store that is open, the Palmetto Paradise. Doors are wide open, so they're definitely open today. Doesn't look like any of the other shops on this side are open though, in this little section here down from the aquarium. Also, we went by Paula Deen's earlier before I was filming, and they did not look open. They do have their Christmas lights on, but they don't appear to be open today. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and click the video on your screen and subscribe so you won't miss anything new. Thanks so much for watching. Until our next adventure.